Welcome, fellow geeks, to an updated demonstration of Schematic, DigiKey's web-based schematic drawing tool. Schematic runs right on your web browser, so there's nothing to install. It's located right under Resources on our homepage. Click on Schematic. You don't need to register to try Schematic, so let's start by making a simple, useful water alarm circuit. We'll start off by placing a resistor. So go under Passives, and grab the first resistor symbol. And now we'll go over to the far right and type in 3.9 M for meg, 1/6 watt, and axial. And we get two choices. And we see that we have the TR for tape and reel and the BK for bulk. And we don't need a whole reel of these yet. We can hit assign down here, and because this resistor is already highlighted, it assigned it to that, and we can see all the attributes have already been filled in. If we want, we can put in 3.9 meg right here. The visible is pre-checked, and it'll show right here. Next, we'll grab an LED. It's upside down, so we've got options. You can hit R for rotate. You can also hit V to flip vertically or H for horizontal. Next, we'll grab a buffer. We'll go under Logic, under Gates, down at the bottom here, and we'll need a pulsing buzzer that's nice and loud. I've got a part number of a PL27N like November 26, Whiskey, Quebec. We'll go down to electromechanical, grab a speaker, place it up here. Now that's already highlighted, so we can hit assign, and that speaker now is all filled in. We'll go under sources and grab our battery. We can double click on this and tell it a 9 volt. Now we'll go under connectors. We'll grab a 2-position header, and we're going to use this as our 9 volt battery holder. There's the first one. We can get a picture. You can place a picture right up here if you want to. For this demonstration, we're going to leave it off, just to show you that functionality is there. Highlight this and assign this part number so all the properties are available. We'll assign a part number for the buffer, 4050BE, assign that, and then assign a part number for the LED. Okay, and chose this LED because it's clear when it's off, so you know for sure when it's on. And we'll click on the LED symbol, hit assign. We need a 2-position screw terminal. That part number, and we'll highlight it and hit assign. And lastly, we need a ground symbol. So we'll go into ports, grab our ground, and we'll wire it up. And every time you click, you make a corner. Now this resistor is going to be a pull-up resistor. This connector, you would hook up your wires and put those 2 wires wherever you assume that water might get to. From here, we can go to our BOM tool. We can see that all the part numbers are filled in. New feature added to Schematic is clicking the order button, which automatically populates an order for you, ready to go. Now to save it, if you click on save, it'll prompt you to log in. So we'll log in. And from here we can save it. We can hit save as, and then put the project name in. Now from here you can easily copy and paste, and it automatically takes the resistor and labels it R2, the LED gives it an L2, and so on. I'll open up 6-channel, and here you can see we've copy and pasted the Same circuit so that you have 6 separate circuits, and any one of them will turn on the buzzer through the corresponding LED. This way you can wire up a corner in your basement, underneath the sink in the bathroom, under the sink in the kitchen, anywhere you might anticipate some spills. A new feature in Schematic is the ability to have multi-page. You can have up to 8 pages per schematic. So if you have a really big schematic, or if you want to do different revisions, so here I've copied everything from this one and I labeled this page multi-spot alarm, and the next page I called it tank level alarm. You get 15 characters that you can label your pages with. This is pretty much the same circuit, rearranged slightly, and connecting the ground to the bottom of the water tank. This would let you know the level at 6 different positions, and the 6th one being a flashing LED. We sell these and they work up to, I believe it's 14 volts. And it would also turn on the buzzer letting you know this tank's about to overfill. I've pulled up the audio amp circuit to show a new feature within Schematic. By hitting share and clicking from private to public, it generates a URL that you can give to someone, or you can put their email address in and it'll send them this URL. But now you can take this chunk of HTML code and place it in different blogs or websites. And here's an example. The same circuit shows up as a widget right inside of a blog or on this web page. You can zoom in, you can interface with it. From right here you can hit bill of materials. You can hit buy parts, and again it'll fill in an order for you. From here someone can click on it and save a copy themselves with their own Schematic account. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of Schematic. Thanks for watching.